Personalizing your desktop with motion graphics and have a DESD animated wallpaper file. This is from Stardock DeskScapes for living wallpapers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these DeskScapes animated wallpaper files. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one premier DESD file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. A DESD file contains an animated wallpaper for Stardock DeskScapes, a program that applies dynamic backgrounds to the Windows desktop. Users encounter this file when they download a custom wallpaper and need to know which software is required to install and display the animated content on their system. The DESD format is a proprietary container, effectively a compressed archive that bundles video files, e.g., WMV, MP4, images, and configuration settings. This design allows a wallpaper's author to package all necessary assets and playback instructions into a single, easily distributable file for others to use. Stardock Corporation defines Stardock DeskScapes as the application primarily intended for DESD. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows supports minimal insight into data files, so proper viewing depends on the target application. We'll conduct a full system compatibility scan now. Right-click your DESD file and select Open With. Test Stardock DeskScapes if it appears. If it fails, select another application. This is a process of elimination. If your DESD file will not open, do not worry. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific DESD error occurs on most Windows systems. First, installing in DeskScapes. Install Stardock DeskScapes from stardock.com and double-click the DESD file to apply it as your animated wallpaper. The application activates the animation as your desktop background. Adjust playback settings, audio options, and performance parameters through the DeskScapes interface. Next, managing wallpaper library. Open DeskScapes and access the wallpaper library to view all installed animated wallpapers, browse community-created content, download new DESD files, and switch between wallpapers. The application provides preview capabilities and library management for organizing your animated wallpaper collection. Finally, optimizing performance. Configure DeskScapes performance settings to balance visual quality with system resource usage. Pause animations on battery power for laptops and disable wallpapers when running games or demanding applications. These optimizations preserve battery life and prevent animated wallpapers from impacting application performance. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.